Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. In this video we are going to have a look at some of the top symptoms that may be indicating a failing master cylinder. The brake master cylinder is a crucial component of a hydraulic brake system. It converts the mechanical force applied to the brake pedal into hydraulic pressure, which then activates the brake calipers or drum brakes. It typically consists of a cylinder chamber, a piston, and various seals. It may also contain fluid reservoirs. There are different types. Some of them are a single type, where there is only one pumping element, and some of them are a dual type master cylinders. The dual master cylinders provide more than one circuit, more than one piston and one hydraulic circuit, which ensures that if one circuit fails, the other can still function. The master cylinder plays a vital role in ensuring the effective and safe operation of your vehicle's braking system. A faulty brake master cylinder can lead to serious safety issues. Let's have a look at some of the top symptoms that may indicate a problem with your vehicle's brake master cylinder. 1. Soft or spongy brake pedal. If the brake pedal feels soft or spongy when depressed, it may indicate air in the brake lines or a failing master cylinder. For example, if there is air trapped inside the master cylinder, when you depress the brake pedal, the pedal travel will be wasted by simply compressing the air that is trapped inside the master cylinder. There will not be hydraulic pressure that is generated and feel resistance to it, so that can cause spongy brake, and this will dramatically reduce the braking performance. So soft or spongy brake can be an indication of a failing master cylinder. If the seals are not working properly to generate hydraulic pressure, that can also cause the brake pedal to feel spongy or soft. 2. Brake warning light. The dashboard brake warning light may illuminate if there is a problem, indicating an issue with the braking system. This includes a master cylinder problem. Some modern vehicles even have a display, a warning message regarding brake fluid level, indicating a potential issue with the master cylinder. So, if the brake warning light remains illuminated on your dashboard, it might indicate issue with the master cylinder. 3. Leaking brake fluid. Visible leaks around the master cylinder or brake lines can indicate a failure of the seals within the master cylinder. There are seals inside the master cylinder. Some of the seals are used to generate hydraulic pressure, and some of the seals are used to prevent fluid leak out of the system. So if these seals fail, for example, if the seals that are preventing brake fluid leakage from the master cylinder fail, that can cause visible brake fluid leak. You might see some droplets of brake fluid in the vicinity of the master cylinder that can indicate a failing master cylinder. 4. Increased stopping distance. A longer distance required to stop the vehicle can indicate a problem with the braking power, potentially related to the master cylinder. If the master cylinder is not capable of generating the required hydraulic pressure for bringing the vehicle to a complete stop, then your stopping distance will increase, causing risk of collision. So, increased stopping distance can be a symptom of a failing master cylinder. If there are problems with the brake master cylinder seals that generate hydraulic pressure, or if there is a problem with the brake master cylinder circuitry, that can also cause failure of the brake system, leading to increased stopping distance. 5. Brake pedal goes to the floor. If the brake pedal sinks to the floor without resistance, it may suggest a total failure of the master cylinder or several fluid leak. 6. Uneven brake performance. If one side of the vehicle brakes more effectively than the other, it might indicate an issue with the distribution of brake fluid, often tied to the master cylinder. Earlier, we have mentioned that there are master cylinders with dual circuits. Sometimes they call them tandem master cylinder. If these two circuits are not functioning properly, or if they are not uniform in their performance, that can lead to uneven braking, causing the vehicle to skid to one side when brake is applied. So, uneven braking performance, making your car pull to one side, can be an indication of a failing master cylinder. 7. No resistance in the pedal. A complete lack of resistance when pressing the brake pedal can signal a failure in the master cylinder's ability to build pressure. This can be associated with failing seals. This can be associated with fluid leakage from the system. Whatever the case, if there is a problem that can cause the master cylinder not to generate enough pressure, that can cause lack of resistance when pedal is depressed. That is an indication of a failing master cylinder. 8. Unusual noises. If you happen to hear unusual noises, such as a squeaking noise or grinding noise when applying the brake, that can suggest the master cylinder is not functioning properly, affecting other components as well. So unusual noises, when there are unusual noises heard as you depress the brake pedal, it can be associated with a failing master cylinder. 9. Brake fluid contamination. If the brake fluid appears dark or contaminated, it may indicate a problem within the master cylinder, leading to a breakdown of seals. If the seals are broken down, they can start to contaminate the hydraulic fluid, so visible fluid contamination can be an indication of a failing master cylinder, to be exact, a failing seal. 10. Frequent brake fluid top-up. If your vehicle needs regular brake fluid to be added, it might indicate a leak in the master cylinder or elsewhere in the braking system. There are times where brake master cylinders can leak excessively without you noticing the brake fluid leakage outside. In that case, if you frequently need to add hydraulic brake fluid into the system, that can indicate the hydraulic brake system is leaking somewhere. So frequent brake fluid refill can be an indication of a failing master cylinder. 11. Vibrating brake pedal. A vibrating brake pedal when applying brakes can indicate uneven pressure distribution, often related to a malfunctioning master cylinder. So if you happen to notice that there is something vibrating as you depress the brake pedal, that can also be an indication of a malfunctioning master cylinder. 12. Brake pedal pulsation. Similar to the brake pedal vibration mentioned earlier, if the brake pedal pulses when depressed, it may indicate issues with the hydraulic pressure produced by the master cylinder. 13. Sticking brake pedal. If the brake pedal feels stuck or unresponsive, it could be due to an internal issue with the master cylinder. If the system is somehow corroded, or if something is making a seizure inside the system, that can cause a sticking brake pedal, that can indicate a failing master cylinder. And finally, 14. Unusual brake feel. Any change on how the brake feels. It could be feeling harder than usual, or if the brake feels softer than usual, it can be an indication of an underlying issue with the master cylinder. So dear viewers, those are some of the top symptoms that are exhibited by a failing master cylinder. If you notice any of these symptoms, it is crucial to have your brake system inspected immediately. Ignoring brake issues can lead to severe safety risk on the road. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to brake problems are very essential for safe vehicle operation. So always make sure to address brake issues as soon as possible. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you regarding symptoms of a failing master cylinder. If you find this video helpful, please smash the like button. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and turn on notifications so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever we come up with another video. Until then, stay safe.